In this video, I'm going to show you how to save video from CapCut to gallery. Let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app on your mobile device. Once you're inside, tap on New Project. Now select a video from your phone and add it into the timeline. This point, you'll see your video ready for editing. Now, let's say you want to add some background sound. CapCut has an option to extract audio from videos, but remember, this is a pro feature, so you'll need the pro version if you want to use it. To do this, go to the audio section, then tap on Extracted. Here, you can take the audio from a video that's saved on your device. Since I have CapCut Pro, I can easily add a sound and then tap Extract. Just keep in mind that this feature works when you're online. Once the audio is extracted, you'll notice it appears below your video in the timeline. After making all your edits, it's time to save the video. Look at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the Export button. Tap on it and CapCut will start processing your video. Once it's done, it will automatically save to your phone's gallery. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips. See you in the next one.